World population reached 1 billion people in the year 1800. Today, we've just topped 7 billion. By 2020, we'll probably be at about 10 billion. Think of a word, just one word, that defines all the progress we've made over the last 200 years. And that same word defines how we're going to face all the challenges over the next 200 years. What word do you have in mind? Is it innovation, creativity, technology? All good words, but I'll bet whatever you're thinking of rests on the foundation of one word, and that word is connections. And that's what the cloud is all about. Connections like we've never seen them before. By the year 2020, there'll be over 70 billion connections that you'll be using as an individual. Connections from you to other people in your social networks, on Facebook, but also machine-to-machine connections. This will be the most connected world we've ever lived in. Simply put, the cloud is the new playbook for business and for society. It's the way we will live, work, and play in the future. That's what I talk about in the book, is how do you take all these connections and use them to your advantage, to your business's advantage. That's cloud surfing. This is not an academic book. It's a very practical book. I talk about more than 20 companies that have either built platforms in the cloud or are using the cloud somehow substantially to change the way that they do business. Companies like Kickstarter that do cloud funding allow you to take an idea and get it funded in the cloud. Nine Sigma and Innocentive that are idea exchanges where large companies like GE or GM will go to find ideas in the cloud despite their internal R&D. Let's make this simple, short and sweet. The cloud will be to business what the evolution of intelligent life was to biology. You know, the internet is just a bunch of connections, a bunch of amoebas and single-cell organisms bouncing up against each other. The cloud is the intelligence in those connections. Cloud surfing covers a lot of ground. It looks at how commerce will change, how economics will change, how risk and innovation in our businesses will change. It looks at how the way our kids play will change. It looks at how we'll socialize, how we'll be educated. All of this is part of the cloud. And you know, this is a trend that will really define our lives and our businesses and our society for the next 100 years. So what do you say? Ready to start cloud surfing?